Hi all, in previous session we completed exercise 11.2 solutions. Next we are going to start exercise 11.3. Before starting exercise 11.3, see here already we discussed in previous class complementary angles. That is, what are the complementary angles here? Once recall them. Complementary angles. What are that? Sine of 90 degrees minus theta is equals to what? Its complementary is cos. Sine complementary is cos. Next one is what here? Tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equals to what? Cot theta. Here once you see tan of 90 minus theta equals to cot theta, that is these two are what? Complementary angles, and also these two are what? Multiplicative inverse, that is tan is the multiplicative inverse of cot. And next one is what? Sec 90 minus theta, that is secant of 90 degrees minus theta is equals to what? Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. And here next one is what? Sine is the complementary for cos, and next one is cos is the complementary to sine, that is cos of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Sine theta. In the same way next one is cot, that is cot of 90 degrees minus theta is equals to what? Tan theta. And next one is what here? Cosec. Cosecant 90 degrees minus theta is equals to what? Secant theta here. This is secant theta. These are the complementary angles. And here tan is what? We are having for tan one speciality, that is this is the multiplicative inverse also, as well as complementary and multiplicative inverse. Now start the exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. In this first problem is, see here, this is first Roman, evaluate. In this again first bit, that is evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Cot 54 degrees. We have to find this value. See here, by using this complementary we can solve this one, that is here tan 36 by cot 54. Here you can change only one part, that is the numerator part or denominator part. But don't change the two terms, that is numerator and denominator. If I suppose to change the numerator part here, how you write this tan 36 here? Once you see tan of, here it is what? 90 minus 54 by, denominator cannot be changed, that is I am writing as it is, cot 54 degrees. Once you see here 90 minus 54 is equals to what? 36. That is without changing the original value, I am writing this as tan of 90 minus 54, and the denominator is as it is. Now it is what here? Tan of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cot theta. Here in theta place value is what? 54. That is 90 minus 54 equals to what? Cot 54. Cot 54. And the denominator is what? It is also cot 54. Cot 54 by cot 54. These two gets cancelled. Now it is equals to what? 1. That is tan 36 by cot 54 degrees is equals to what? This is 1. And see the second problem also here. Second one is cos 12 minus sin 78. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Solve this as here. First one is what? Cos 12 degrees. And this is sin 78 degrees. Here 12 plus 78 is equals to what? 90. Then change any one value here. I am writing here cos 12 means cos of 90 degrees minus 78 degrees. Here minus 78 degrees. Here 90 minus 78 is equals to what? 12. That means cos 12 I am writing as cos of 90 minus 78. Once you see what is the complementary for cos here? Sin. That is cos of 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. That is cos of 90 minus 78 is equals to what? Sin 78. Sin 78. Sin 78 minus sin 78. Now what is the value of this one? Plus 78 and minus 78. These two are cancelled. Now it is equals to what? 0. This is equals to 0. Next one is third problem. Next one is third bit, that is cosec 31 minus sec 59. 31 minus secant 59. That is how you write this here. Cosecant 31. And how you write it as? Change cosecant theta or secant theta as your wish. Here cosecant of, how you write this 31 here? That is 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59. In the place of 31 only I am writing 90 minus 59. And next minus secant 59 is as this. Now cosecant of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Sec theta. That is here. In theta place value is what here? Secant 59. Secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Here plus secant 59 and minus secant 59 gets cancelled. Its value is equals to what? 0. Do next fourth problem is as your practice, and next write fifth problem, that is fifth bit is tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 24 degrees into, not 24, this is tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Simplify this as what here? Tan 26. How you write this here? Tan 26 here. Tan of 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. That is 90 minus 64 is equals to what? 26 degrees. And into it is what? Tan 64 degrees is as this here. Now this is what? Tan of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cot theta. In theta place here it is what? What is the degree? This is 64 degrees. That is tan of 90 degrees minus 64 degrees is equals to cot 64 degrees. This is cot 64 degrees. Already I said that what tan and cot are what? Multiplicative inverses. Then tan 64 can be written as what? 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta. That is 1 by cot 64 degrees. 1 by cot 64. That is what? Cot 64 and cot 64 gets cancelled. Now the value is equals to what here? 1. This value is equals to 1. Next one is second problem. That is in second main first bit. That is what? Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equals to 1. We have to prove this one. That is, once you observe in this, tan 48 and tan 42. These two form what? Complementary. That is 48 plus 42 is equals to what? 90. And here tan 16 plus tan 16 and tan 74. That is 16 plus 74. That is, it is equals to what? 90. Then you can change this part, that is tan 48 and tan 16 or tan 42 into tan 74. You can change only one thing. That is, once you see how you write this tan 48 here, that is tan of 90 degrees minus, you can write it as 42 degrees. That is 90 minus 42 is equals to 48. Then next one is what? Tan 16. Write this as tan 90 degrees minus 74 degrees. That is 90 minus 74 equals to 16. And next this one is what? Tan 42. Write this as it is. That is tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. This part is what? Actually this is the LHS part. Now write it as tan of 90 minus 42. Once you see tan of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cot theta. That is how you write this, cot 42. Cot 42 degrees into, this is what here? Again tan of 90 minus 74. Then write it as cot 74 degrees. Cot 74 degrees. And next one is, this is what? Tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Already I said that what? Tan and cot are the complementary and also multiplicative inverse. That is what here? Tan theta into cot theta is equals to what? That is, these two are the multiplicative inverses. Tan theta into cot theta is equals to what? This one's 1. In the same way, it is what? Cot 42 into cot 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. That is cot into tan theta. Cot theta into tan theta form. That is, this total value is what? 1. Or you can write this as what? Simply write this as 1. Or here cot 42 means this can be written as what? 1 by tan 42. This cot 74 means you write it as 1 by tan 74. That is 1 by tan 42 into, this is what? Tan 74 degrees. And here it is what? Tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. That is, these two are cancelled. Now answer is what? 1. That is, this is what? LHS is this one. We have to prove this value is equals to 1. That is, this is equals to what? RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Next one is second problem. That is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equals to 0. That is, how you write this here? First, this is what? LHS part. LHS is what? Cos 36 and cos 54. And here also, once you observe here, 36 and plus 54 forms what here? These two forms what? Complementary pair. That is 36 plus 54 equals to 90. That is, cos 36 can be written as what? Cos of 90 minus 54 degrees. That is 90 minus 54 is equals to what? 36 degrees. and here cos 54. How you write this cos 54 here? This can be written as 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. And don't change this part. That is sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now it is here cos of 90 minus 54. That is cos of 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Here in theta place value is what? 54. Now write it as what? Sin 54 degrees. Sin 54 degrees. And here it is what? Cos of 90 minus 36. That is this is equals to sin 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. This is what? Plus sin 54 into sin 36 minus sin 54 into sin 36. These two gets cancelled. Now this value is 0. We can do in this model, or in previous class we discussed what here? That is cos of A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is what here cos of A plus B means. This is cos of in A and B places. This is in the form of cos 36 cos 54. That is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is sin 36 and sin 54. That is cos 36 degrees and cos 54 degrees minus, this is what? Sin A sin B form. That is sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. That is how you write this. This is equals to cos of A plus B. That is cos of A plus B. A value is B, that is 36, and B value is what? 54. 36 degrees plus 54 degrees. That is cos of 36 plus 54 is equals to what? Cos 90 degrees. What is cos 90 value here? Sin 90 value is 1. Sin 0 equals to 0. That is cos 90 equals to sin 0. That is cos 90 value becomes what here? 0. You can solve in this model or this model. Next, third problem. This is what? If tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, that is acute angle means 0 to 90, then find the value of a. Here it is given what? Tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. From this we have to find out a value. Given that tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. This is what? Tan 2a. How you write this tan in cot terms here? That is already we know that cot of 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Here it is what? Tan 2a. That is in theta place value is 2a. Then this can be written as what? This is tan 2a in theta place. Now it can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a. The cot of 90 minus 2a is equals to tan 2a. Now write this tan 2a is as cot of 90 degrees minus 2a is equal to, right hand side you don't change, that is cot of a minus 18 degrees. Here both sides I am having what? Cot. Eliminate this cot. Now from this I am eliminating both sides cot. Now remaining is what? 90 degrees minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 degrees. A minus 18 degrees. That means here, now from this we have to find out A. For finding A, write all degrees one side and A terms one side. Here I am writing this is what, 90 degrees. Here RHS side we are having minus 18. Now write it into LHS part. Now this is changed as what? Plus 18. That is 90 degrees plus 18 degrees is equals to, here it is A, and here also minus 2A we are having. Write this into RHS part. Now it is changed as what? Plus 2A. Minus 2A is changed as plus 2A. Minus 18 is changed as plus 18 degrees. Now 90 plus 18 is equals to what? 108 degrees. It is equals to A plus 2A. That is 3A. From this, A is equals to what? 108 degrees by 3. What is the cancellation part here? 3 ones are 3. And here it is what? 3 3s are 9. Remaining it is 1. 3 6 are how much? 18. That is A is equals to what? A is equals to 36 degrees. A value is 36 degrees. Fourth problem, if tan A equals to cot B, where A and B are what? Acute angles, then prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. That is, here tan A equals to cot B here. Given that tan A is equals to cot B. Now change it as what? Tan A is equals to, how you write this cot B here in tan terms? That is tan of, already we know that tan of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cot theta. In the same way, write this cot B as tan of 90 minus, here it is what? In theta place it is B. That is 90 minus B. Cot B I am writing as tan of 90 minus B. Both sides I am having what? Tan functions. I am eliminating these tan functions. Now from this, A is equals to what here? 90 degrees minus B. Now here it is what? A plus B. Write this B term to LHS side. Now it is changed as plus B. A plus B is equals to what? 90 degrees. Here it is what? A plus B is 90. Here also A plus B is 90. Next, fifth problem. This is what? If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. To prove this one here, we have to take what here? ABC is what? Interior angles of a triangle. That is, sum of the interior angles of a triangle is what? 180 degrees by angle sum property. That is, here it is given that what? A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle. From this, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That is, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Here I am writing this as A plus B is equals to, I am writing this C RHS side. That is 180 degrees minus C. Now both sides divide with 2. Divide with 2. Now it is what? A plus B by 2 is equals to 180 degrees minus C by 2. That means a plus b by 2 is equals to, here I am separating this 2 is as what, 180 degrees by 2 minus c by 2. That is a plus b by 2 is equals to what? 180 by 2, 2 ones and 2 90s. That is 90 degrees minus c by 2. Here a plus b by 2 equals to 90 degrees minus c by 2, and here I am taking both sides tan. That is apply tan on both sides. Now it is changed as what? Here it is what? A plus b by 2. That is tan of a plus b by 2 is equals to, and this side also tan of 90 minus c by 2. Tan of 90 minus c by 2. From this, tan of a plus b by 2. That is as it is, write this as tan of a plus b by 2. And RHS side, it is what? Tan of 90 minus c by 2. It is in the form of what? Tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta equals to what? Cot theta. In theta place value is what? C by 2. That is cot c by 2. Write it as cot c by 2. See here. Tan of a plus b by 2 equals to cot c by 2. This one is proved. Next, last problem in this exercise, that is sixth problem. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. We have to express this into trigonometric ratios angles, but the angles must be in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. How you change this? That is sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. This can be written as what here? Sine 75. 75 degrees is written as sine of 90 minus 15 degrees. Sine of 90 minus 15. And here it is what? Plus cos 65 degrees. Write it as plus cos of 90 degrees minus 65 degrees here. That is, here I am writing 90 minus 25 degrees. Now it is equals to, here it is in the form of what? Sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. That is, here in theta place value is what? 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees plus, here it is what? Cos of 90 minus 25 degrees. Cos of 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. That is, here it is in theta place 25 degrees. Write it as plus sin 25 degrees. Sin 25 degrees. By this we completed exercise 11.3. In the next session we will discuss exercise 11.4 and trigonometric identities.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.